What about the Japanese yen?
So Japanese yen is an interesting one. We have recommended selling euro yen, so buying the Japanese yen as a short-term trade for the first quarter. But I think my bigger message would be over 2025, we're very bearish on the yen. We think dollar yen will go to 160 by the middle to end of 2025.
Primarily driven by dollar strength.
No, not dollar strength, not Fed, not BOJ. The biggest story in Japan right now is structural outflow. Basically, Japan has been very cash-rich, corporates, households for many years. When inflation was zero, it didn't really matter. You can hold cash, it doesn't lose its value. Yeah. Now inflation is not zero. So we have observed a trend of corporates engaging in outward FDI. We have seen households diversifying into foreign assets. Yeah. And that's the main reason the yen has been weak. And this is a structural trend that we expect to continue through 2025.
And will the authorities allow that? 160 would be crossing way past the red line, right?
What is the red line? I mean,
people say 150.
Yeah, I mean, I hear all levels. But I think for
I know it's a moving target.
Yeah, for the Ministry of Finance, the volatility matters. So if it's a gradual move to 160, it's probably okay. If it's a sudden move, 5% in a week or whatever, they probably step in. But how does Japan intervene? Japan is not like Korea or other Asian central banks. Japan intervenes once or twice a year. So I suspect they can intervene, they might slow the move, but ultimately, can they outweigh these structural outflows that I'm talking about? Probably not.